Ramadan Kareem. Come on right in. Hello, this is Amena from Draw a Smile initiative, where we collaborate every year during Ramadan with Cater Classic Kitchen. So over here, we're at the distribution venue where we're distributing the hot meals to those in needy, an experience where we feel like we're finally giving back to our community, and it puts us in a situation where we're grateful for all the little blessings that we have. We welcome all sorts of different types of volunteers, whether they're corporate, families, and most importantly children, as we feel like it's most important to encourage the little ones to be involved in such activities where it's very rewarding and shapes the little ones to be humans who naturally have the instinct of giving back to the community. Come on right in. So over here is where we prep ourselves up and we gear up with our disposable aprons, hairnets, gloves, and sleeves so we don't make sure we don't get ourselves dirty. And then we head right through to the washing station. So we make sure our hands are very well cleaned or cleansed because we're going to be dealing with a lot of food. So over here is where we keep track of our daily distributed meals, averaging of around 3,000 meals a day and hitting a highest 4,200 meals on the 16th day. This is where all the action happens, where we host around 50 volunteers a day, spanning over roughly 3.5 hours. And we focus on two different types of meal packing, the hot meals and the cold packs.
So for the hot packs, we start by putting the plates. We have the chicken, then we follow it with the gravy. We put the rice, then we seal it, and then it's ready for distribution. And then with the distribution, we have the cold packs too.
So the cold packs include all different small necessities on the side, like the dates, milk, water. And it's a great experience for the children and the little ones to actually experience such a rewarding experience without having to endanger them in the hot food environment. Some of the challenges we face around the kitchen is that sometimes it tends to be a little bit overcrowded, so maneuvering around the kitchen can sometimes slow down the production of the hot meals, and the hot meals not always being ready on time. So there's always some idle time of around 10 to 15 minutes of waiting for the new cycle of the hot food to come in for us to start the new batches of packing. Growing up, I never felt like I gave back to my community enough, and nothing ever satisfied me in terms of community work until I found the concept of packing and distribution, where we got to experience the full end-to-end of packing them with love and distributing it to ourselves, to those in need, and helping our community. I feel like it's important that such an experience becomes a constant in someone's life, to always keep them in check and make sure they're always grateful for all the blessings that they have. So the queue is split into two sections, 10 volunteers each, so all 20 volunteers distribute the meals instantaneously without having to go one by one, so it's a smoother and more efficient line. Ramadan Kareem. So the team in the back helps set up the meals, give them to the volunteers for distribution. Volunteering is the most rewarding experience a person can ever go through.